Welcome to our YouTube channel LT Design 97. In today's video, I will bring you some extremely hot viral information about the Nano Banana Pro model. The Nano Banana Pro upgrade is a huge step forward, and now we can experience unlimited on Higgsfield with Nano Banana Pro. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies. Our mission is to be the most creator-friendly platform. We're launching Nano Banana Pro, new pro-grade image engine powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model, built for control, clarity, and structure. You can find more detailed information on this website about Nano Banana Pro. With Nano Banana Pro, 4K image quality, generate at 1K, 2K, and 4K, plus upscale lower-res images to crisp 4K. And more than that, we will go into real-life experience to evaluate Nano Banana Pro in more detail and specifically. One important thing to note, for those who subscribe through Monday, November 24th, Higgsfield is offering And we can clearly see here that the chart compares different AI models. It shows that Higgsfield is currently the lowest priced on the market. Don't miss out on today's huge discounts from Higgsfield to experience ultra high-end and efficient models, without spending a fortune. Now we will go into the hands-on experience of the Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro. You will go to Higgsfield's image creation section and then select the Nano Banana Pro model. Currently on Higgsfield model Nano Banana Pro is available for unlimited use. I will set some properties here. Now I'm going to create an image of my tree care plan. For example, I'm going to enter some image input. I will use a basic command like this. While waiting for the results, I will be testing out some other tasks. I want to create some campaign images for health. Here I have some prompts for you to experiment with creating images. So we have some first results, please take a look and evaluate. We see that the Nano Banana Pro's ability to reason images and count numbers is extremely good. Visual perception of data, infographics with numbers and structures are logical and reasonable. High-precision text processing on images is something I care about a lot, this saves a lot of time for designers. Let's take a look at some more results. These perfect results will suit professional digital artists who need production-ready assets for client projects. Suitable for performance marketing and creative specialists to create text-heavy social media ads, banners, OOH concepts. I'm going to try making some pages to see how consistent the characters are. I'll be using some of the following prompts, please practice with me. We found that Nano Banana Pro has the best prompt following, closely following detailed instructions on colors, objects, and layouts, helping you minimize the number of times you have to recreate. Better face and identity control. Characters are consistent across angles and outfits, with natural, non-fake expressions. Through these results, comic book creators will save a lot of time. So we have just learned and experienced Nano Banana Pro together on Higgsfield. I must say that the results are amazing. I hope this is useful information for you, and quickly register for unlimited use for 1 year. See you in the next video tutorials.